Pecan praline cake recipe. Caramelized pecans and homemade brown sugar frosting makes this dessert cake recipe the very best cake you will ever eat. Ingredients. For the cake: 2 tablespoons butter, 2 tablespoons packed brown sugar, ½ cup chopped pecans, 1 box yellow cake mix, ½ cup sour cream, 2/3 cup vegetable oil, 4 eggs. For the frosting: ½ cup butter, 2 cups packed brown sugar, 2/3 cup heavy whipping cream, 2 cups powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 2 cups chopped pecans. Instructions. For the cake: preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Spray 13 by 9-inch pan with cooking spray. Set aside. In large microwavable bowl, microwave 2 tablespoons butter, 2 tablespoons brown sugar and ½ cup chopped pecans and covered on high 1 minute or until mixture is bubbling and hot. In another large bowl, beat cake mix, sour cream, vegetable oil and eggs with electric mixer on low speed 1 minute, then on medium speed 2 minutes. Stirring pecan mixture. Pour into pan. Bake 30 to 36 minutes or until toothpick inserted in center comes out clean. Cool completely in pan on cooling rack, about 1 hour. For the frosting: in 2-quart heavy saucepan, heat ½ cup butter, 2 cups brown sugar and the whipping cream to boiling, stirring frequently. Boil and stir 1 minute. Remove from heat. Stirring powdered sugar and vanilla until smooth. Stirring 2 cups pecans. Cool 10 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally, until frosting begins to thicken. Spread frosting over cake. Cool before cutting.